Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming version and backing up your model. This prevents wasted time later. Next, drag the combiner into the layout and connect your input conveyors or sources. You should assign part types and set basic parameters like cycle time, 1/2 input split, and output port. Once connected, open the combiner properties and choose the combining mode. Do this now so you can test with a quick run. Make sure parts flow into the combiner immediately. Now you refine how the combiner decides which parts join. You set combine rules, quantity-based, attribute match, or a timing window, and explain why each matters for throughput. Then map input ports to output channels, assign priorities, and set buffering or capacity limits to avoid blocking. Once done, tweak processing times and enable event logging so you can see decisions during simulation. Run a short scenario and watch for starvation or accumulation at inputs. These signs tell you where to iterate. Finish by validating performance across scenarios. You increase arrival rates, add failures, and compare throughput and cycle time. Use trace events and logs to pinpoint miscombinations or delays and measure output percentages to confirm targets. If parts misroute or block, adjust priorities, increase buffer sizes, or relax match thresholds. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see frequent deadlock, temporarily reduce combine strictness to isolate the failing rule, then reintroduce constraints gradually while observing effects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.